Hello guys, magandang gabi sa lahat. Happy Friday. Sorry na late. I was looking at the clock. I thought it's still 8:30. But pagtingin ko, shucks, 9:80 na pala. I was monitoring the opening of the US market. Medyo pagtingin ko, wala na. Hala, ano na pala? 8:30 na. Ay, almost 9:30 na. Hindi ko napansin yung oras. So it's my bad, it's my bad. All right, there you go. Let's go, let's start. Habulin natin. May scammer. Yan. Nakita yung mga scammer na yan. Okay, so check natin ang market, everyone. Tingnan natin where is it going. Honestly, ganda ng crypto market, no? There you go, there you go. So if we actually tried to study it last Friday and it's starting to really peak off, no? Honestly, ang ganda ng report natin sa ano. I'm planning to give it for free this time, yung elite report. I was reading about it. Dami kong natutunan about the US market in general. So one thing that we can learn, 55% usually of most of the time it really crashed in the past 50 years. It really corrects, no, at the third week of September, or 44% of the time it corrects on the second week of September. So titingnan natin saan doon. But definitely really bound for correction ang total market 55% of the chance pag September. So nagkakaroon na ng imminent effect, no? All right. So kamusta kayo, guys? Kamusta kayo? Let's check. Let's check natin ang market. Is the market is honestly open already. Oh, by the way, isa din na dapat nating matutunan about the market. When the market is trying to go down on the first hour, 80% of the chance is usually reverse the direction. Example, ang direction ng market is bumabagsak siya ng first, example, downtrend, katulad ng nangyayari ngayon sa Nasdaq, no? Nagda-downtrend siya. But usually, on the opening of the market, 80% nagre-reverse siya. Ganun siya because of volatility. Because of volatility. But 80% nagre-reverse siya. Kaya maganda rin mag-trade after the first hour of the market, no, usually. So i-check natin what's the market is giving us today. Tanggalin ko na yung mga drawings ko para malinis. Okay, so it seems really very, very imminent for correction, especially for tech stocks. Because how many days it's trying to reject already the 15,800, the 15,600 level, no? Almost this level, medyo talagang nakakakita na tayo talaga ng rejection at this level around 15686. Yan, magiging topic siguro natin for tonight is how can we expect, let's look at the statistics in general, and how can we expect also in terms of the drop, how much would that be, paano natin titingnan, paano natin mag-prepare as investor, and at the same time as trader to get the best opportunity for the market. So nakita nyo, medyo talagang may rejection na dito at 15,665 to 20 points from there. So may rejection na dito. Magkakaalaman na lang dito if babagsak to eh. Ito na lang talaga yung if this gonna close below here in the next week, in the next few weeks, we can really expect a correction. So vertically the screen blur. I'm not sure. I think it's clear on my end. I can check to my I'm gonna check to also my page here. How about the others? Is my screen blur? Kasi I'm not using an OBS already. I'm sharing it directly to my page, or I'm using the StreamYard here. Wala, okay naman, clear naman siya. Clear man my end. I think you just need to refresh or your internet connection. Okay, let's check. Kung titingnan natin, SPX environment is also the same sentiment. If you also notice, we also had a very, very clear rejection at 4-5 level. So 4 days na siya dyan. So usually talagang may correction na nangyayari dyan. So it means to say if there is an impending correction, wag ka masyadong aggressive bibili. Same thing din, ito mas malapit-lapit to na medyo kailangan tong magpakita ng talagang correction pag itong bumigay, itong area na to. Pag ito binigay niya, it's really gonna bound for a deep correction. Faster correction natin yan at this level. So we're gonna monitor that as well. But for tonight, we're just gonna check kung asan tayo pwedeng pumesto. anong pwede nating tingnan? Ano yung mga titingnan natin in general as we go along on this yeah, tingnan natin. Yeah, yeah, tingnan natin. Okay. Let's check it out. Hinahinay natin, dahan-dahanin natin. All right, let's go to sectoral rotation. Let's go to sectoral rotation. Let's check the sectoral rotation as the current situation natin. All right, there you go. Okay, I didn't think I'm complete. Okay, let's go first to January, start of the year. There you go. Kung titingnan nyo, okay, on this year alone, okay, kung titingnan din natin, the technology stocks is still cheaper. It's still cheaper, but pending for correction. Kasi masyadong steep na yung inangat niya. But if you're trying to beat it in the XPX 500, after that massive drop from February correction, okay, it's still cheaper. Kasi in the past 10 years, it's the one beating the market ever since. So kung titingnan mo, medyo cheap pa siya in general ang tech stocks. But it really needs to correct, no? This one, no? The good thing about it this year, what's really beating the market in general is your this one. This is your financial market, no? Yung financial sector. Why? Because they're still about the interest rates up to next year. And looking at this picture, okay, for cyclical stocks such as energy, kung titingnan natin, no, it's really going a bit of downtrend already. No, nagda-downtrend na siya dahan-dahan. Okay, but still above the SPX 500. What you're gonna see kung how long is it last, but it's still beating the market this year. No, this year. So what we need to check in terms of the trend and its trend lines are two things, no? Pinaka cheaper is still your mga tinatawag nating XLP or mga reopening of the market. Isa din that you need to check is this discretionary. Usually it beats the market in the past 5 to 10 years, but right now it's still under the market in general. And also industrial stocks and even the XLB, no? XLB natin. But we need to take a look at two things on the sectoral rotation, the technology and also the financial market and XLP and XLY. Yun ang titingnan natin. So if you're gonna zoom in on the past 3 months, okay, bumabawi na siya eh. It's trying to really pick off, but kung titingnan din natin on this trend line here, no, really about to correct ang sector na to. Once it's corrected, doon tayo maghihintay ng right opportunity. Pag nag-create ulit siya ng low, and tingnan natin kung how fast it will go down. Usually, it go down September, October. And if we're gonna zoom in further, for this quarter, what's beating the market in general and it's trending too fast is really the healthcare sector. Yan ang titingnan natin in general din. At the same time, okay, nagko-correct good thing about it is nagko-correct totally si financial market, but on this year, talagang it's trying to beat the market in general. No? Cyclical stock is way below, which is good. So, yan. So, ngayon halos pababa lahat. What's going up is none. Usually take profit talaga today. Almost all of them, no? Check natin. Yan. So that's the current situation of the market. We have this year and that quarter. So all your eyes must be in technology stocks, consumer discretionary and staples, no? And a bit of energy once it's going really cheaper. For really December, especially usually they consume a lot of energy and earnings report December and January for winter season. Okay? All right, that's it. That's our natin. So more on into really abang tayo on yung mga stocks and more on bounce trades. Let's check the crypto market. Kasi usually the crypto market is trying to beat the yeah, no, grabe, Bitcoin is already breaking out from the weak resistance. That's as we notice is today after the reversal. So this is a very very good indication that the total sentiment of the crypto market is going bullish, and we just need another confirmation candle to really check it out. Why and how, no? First is this trend line represents right now na nag-consolidate siya. So nasa part na resistance siya. If it go another green candle there, it really shows a channel wherein the market is super bullish in terms of the crypto market, but I can really see a potential, no? Talagang pataas siya. So if you have exposed a lot of your portfolio in the crypto, you are actually beating the market right now, no? So ako kaya crypto ko no 50 on this high itong port na to 54 44% are on crypto already. Uh because of that ano din yung ganyan din na sentiment, no? Connection ng market showing pataas ang crypto. Doon ko na expose din as well, no? And what's really fastest right now is two things, no? Ethereum and ADA. Okay, so after that one, if you also notice, if you can see there, there's a weak resistance there trying to really push it off, no? Pinakita talaga niya push it off talaga dito. Trend, healthy trend, then inangat, then trying to go momentum. So, huwag nyo nga habulin na ang Ethereum. It's because it's near the strong resistance already at this level, no? Kung nakapwesto ka sa ilalim, let it ride until it shows weakness. Okay? Then, try to really like bawas-bawasan na yung gains mo pagdating dito. We're not yet there. Let's enjoy the ride, no? Wag nating habulan dyan. So another fastest way na mga crypto is our ADA, no? So, ADA is so fast, no? In terms of the degree of how it's going fast, I can expect a correction not happening anytime soon but around this area here and around this area here. So blue sky na siya eh. Wala na talaga siya, no? This area. Yan yung mga area titingnan natin na magkakaroon ng correction. Right now, it's doing super fast. Wala tayong gagawin. It's just need to enjoy it. Enjoy the ride. No? This one. So, nawala yung aking dito. USDT. Not this one. Not this one. UAD dollar. Wala yung akin. Pero anyway, enjoy the ride. So, tingnan natin kung how is it gonna be. Nandito AD USD ko. ADA USD. That. Yun. Ito. Yan. There you go. Okay, for ADA, wala tayong gagawin. No? Near resistance siya sa, a big resistance is gonna be here. So just let's enjoy it. So, but at the same time, if you want to also take the opportunity, nasa breakout siya ngayon, no? Nasa breakout siya ngayon on this channel here. If you're gonna add into that, pwede as long as you have a good base. Meaning, nagsiscale up ka lang kasi meron ka ng profit na pinoprotektahan. So, meaning, may profits ka na eh. Kumbaga parang, okay, may profits na ako, pwede na ako magdagdag kasi okay lang yan, no? Pero kung wala kang ganun na base, wag ka magdagdag. Promise, no? XRP, naman natin yung mga malalakas, guys. XRP also, it's really also doing good. Kung titindi natin dyan, yesterday was the opportunity to buy. Today is a confirmation that you can really buy this one for XRP, no? It's holding the support. Kung titignan mo on the horizontal area, try to break out this one, try and hold on to support. So baka mag-rally to bukas on the momentum. Baka mag-rally to tomorrow. Let's check it out, no? Last is your, ano ba next natin dito? XRP, ADA, Ethereum. Tinignan ko lang support ko para Binance, no? And then let's go to Solana after. Binance after is okay. Okay, Binance. Honestly, Binance is also an opportunity for us to scale up kung magdadagdag tayo tomorrow kung magkaroon to ng good positive. Pero I can really see a sign na today na pwede nang magdagdag. Wala akong pera kasi. Sobrang wala akong pera eh kasi nakalagay na lahat eh. Wala eh. Wala talaga akong may dagdag. Nakapwesto na talaga lahat, no? So that's it. So tingnan tayo ng mga let's try to check some mga coins like mga mahihina pa hindi pa humahabol like Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is not yet a confirmation of buy. Wala pa yung confirmation dyan. Let's check out Dogecoin as well, very quick. Dogecoin also is showing potential. Kung meron kayong additional pera kayon, it would be best na ngayon na po kayo pumasok, no? This is just a like kung ako yan, ngayon ako bibili, no? Why? First is holding on the support siya here, no? Holding on this resistance there, and there is a continuation pattern, and it's staying above your EMA 20 and EMA 10. So very very good indication that possible ito mas malakas sipain tomorrow. So XLM, I also told you guys to buy yesterday, and it's also a confirmation today that is really going to go up, no? Ang also din, kung bumili din kayo ng Miyota, it's also one na dapat nabilin nyo yung sinabi ko last Wednesday because it made the dito ko sinabi bili na kayo dito eh no. Dito pa lang sinabi bili na kayo. So tumulak no pero medyo late na ngayon. So ang kailangan natin gawin dito, tinamaan niyo na yung resistance ko. Look at that no. Very very accurate. Hintayin natin to mag-consolidate dito or let's wait for this one to rally there. So mag-aari dyan, it's gonna be like that until gumalaw tong what we're gonna do with this, magaganyan yan, then let's wait for it here. Then let's decide. As long as this is holding, we're safe at Miyota for that. Pero right now, wag na kayong bumili. No? Wag mo na kayong bumili. Let's go to Sol USDT. USDT Tether. Tetherus USDT. There you go. Okay. Sol, wala. Wag muna to. If you don't know how to go momentum, wag po. Wag po tayo pasok basta-basta. Especially. But look at that pending resistance siya sa very, very strong. If we're going also another resistance there, very, very strong resistance siya. So if you have Sol, okay, it would be best to really scale down ka na. So daan-daan ka na magbenta ngayon because isang tulak na lang dito, possible na mag-reject ng malakas. And remember also, no, that how fast it goes up, it can also go down fast as well. Sa ganitong itsura. Meron man lakas-lakas na yung pending na resistance ito. So, kung meron ka dyan, better dahan-dahan ka na magbawas ngayon, no? Okay, let's go Litecoin. Let's go to crypto first, then we go to the stock market. And Litecoin is actually a buy today. Buy today talaga to. Okay, look at that breakout there, no? Litecoin, sinabi ko na tong Litecoin ever since here pa lang, no? Dito pa lang guys, sabi ko na bilhin niyo na to. Dito pa lang yan, kandila pa lang na yan. Sabi ko bilhin niyo na yan guys. I did bought that. I bought that together with you. I think no, I bought that together with you. I bought twice already for Litecoin as well, no? XTZ, let's check XTZ as well. XTZ is also going momentum because of that, no? Ayan. Ito, possible tong momentum trade, guys, no? If you have a position for LTZ already on this breakout here, pwede ka magdagdag ngayon. Kung wala kang base, maliit lang idagdag mo ngayon dito. Maliit lang. So, wag mo muna don't perfectly just like risk a lot because nasa momentum siya, pwedeng bumagsak anytime. But if you have a good base, you can buy additional right now for XTZ. XLM is a buy also. It's a perfect buy for XLM. There you go. It's trying to continuation pattern. Definitely, it's really going to buy. No, Dogecoin also. I also told you guys you can also try to buy this already. Look at that, very very beautiful for that one. All right, there's a question here regarding ACB. We're gonna check that one. John Bert Ramos, po muna regarding po sa trading. Honestly, the good thing about eToro, if you're gonna use the link provided in eToro, you can start at $200. $200, you're good already using that one. And you have sa $200 mo yan, gamitin mo yung link below. Okay, you get a free 1-month premium for the Elite Club. So in the Elite Club, you get most of the information. You get trade calls for free on eToro with 90% win rate. 90% win rate ha. Meron tayong statistic niyan. Hindi tayo nag-ano dyan. Meron later. Tingnan natin. Okay, TRX. Let's check a TRX for this one. No? TRX USDT. There you go. TRX also is a possible confirmation buy today but hindi ako masyado maglalagay ng malaki because malapit-lapit siya sa resistance but pwede siyang bilhin ngayon. Going momentum to, possible magkaroon ng follow-up, isang straight line na isang putok hanggang dyan. Recently, no? Here, to be conservative, yan. Tomorrow. So, position yourself in crypto, not too much in stocks, but in the stock market, marami din potential na pwedeng bilhin habang nasa ilalim pa sila. And usually, dito yung mga season na dapat silang bilhin. Later, I'm gonna give you one, no? Okay, so I think that's it for our crypto. Wala nang hahabol sa crypto. Okay, let's check at PFE. PFE still downtrend. Okay, rejecting EMA 10, going there. The downtrend yan. Wala tayong gagawin dyan. ACB, if you have listened to me Since it was here, you could have profited already a lot, no? From right now, you could have already profit around 19% up to date. So if you're joining me in my trades there, I have bought multiple trades of ACB. It's now taking off, no? Nasa 7, 8, 11% na ako. And my target is 76% from below. 72% ha, 72%. Around this one, saka dito ako magbabawas. Diyan pa lang ako magbabawas. So, grabe yung pinapakita nito, and then malapit na to for ACB yan. This is our reversal signal here. So wala pa tayo sa reversal signal, but then again, if you have bottom, bumili ka na ng bottom, pwede yan, no? Pwede. So tingnan natin dito, my fearless forecast for ACB is gonna be like this, no? If wala ka pa nito, it's gonna be like possible ganyan, then trying to go around this area, yan, then saka to maglalakad nandito ng todo. Something wrong with my mouse. Yan. Okay. Something like. So, if you're gonna buy, okay, wag muna kasi baka mag-correct yan because of the sentiment. Time mo na lang yan tong pattern na to before you buy. Let it form a base more on an upper uptrend. PFE confirm green candle. No. No. This is not. Pwedeng test buy pag nagkaroon ng green candle. Close green candle. But right now, no. It's showing weakness. Definitely a weakness. So, dito bilhin yan sa MA50. Okay. Check natin. What else? Alright, so welcome me guys. I'm already back at 10,600. Grabe yung tinawid ng port ko. Down by 8.5. Way back again to 10,000 again. So, grabe. That's not really the threat, but the learnings and enjoyment na itinak ko sa trades na yan. I'm gonna check the Euro USD because meron akong recovery trade na napakalaki. Check ko lang tong Euro USD natin kadali. Wait lang ha. Euro USD, ako, sana tuloy-tuloy na tong weakness na to ni Euro USD at mag-correct na siya kahit papaano, please lang. Kahit papaano lang, no? Para makatodo tayo. Alright. For Zoom, yan, sa about that Zoom, no? This one, for Zoom, guys, late na kayo dito for a bounce trade. Very late na to because impending na to for if magkaroon ng breakout yan, saka nyo pasukin. Ang una yung titingnan dito, ito. So, pag nag-breakout nito, di ko masyado na ito-trade to eh. No? Di ko masyado ito-trade yan. 3% na lang eh, usually. So, for that, no? Hindi kasi masyado. Mary Ann Libarque, how much is your capital before siya naging 5K? Honestly, if you're following me, this started at I think some of the users who's been following me since 1 year ago can also answer this one. I think Reginald, can you answer how much yung capital nito last year? Pero if you're gonna performance ito this year, it was I ended last year from 1.5 but right now naging 6.5 siya this year started, no? 257 nagdagdag akong capital since I have extra. So naging ano siya 50%. But last year it was started at 1.5, I added 1.5 again last year. So $3,000, 3.2 in general. So before siya naging 3K, 3,000 siya. Kasi wala na to eh. If I can only like way back pa, track or way back this one. Pwede ko pa ito ma-backtrack like 1 year more. Kasi 2 years na tong account na to. Mag-second year siya this October, no? So in 2 years time, so from 1.5 naging 10K na siya. So parang something like that, no? So there you go. Yan. Okay, let's check. Let's check natin BB. Ito, binabili ko dito sa inyong BB. Ang ganda ng pinakita ni BB. So ngayon, it's trying to do a momentum trail. Okay, medyo I'm still gonna stick around with BB for now kasi it's showing a bullish trend but a rejection from this area. So wala tayo dyan. Miss Anne, honestly, the reason why it really went balloon like this is because of you guys. No, first is you're giving me the stock to check. I'm checking it's gonna be on my parameters ng buy signal. Second, because of the practice and also the learnings I've done in the past, And the teachings din na ginagawa ko yung mismong tinuturo ko sa masterclass. So, and then ina-adjust ko siya according to the statistic base, kung how much yung win and losses niya based on statistics, and also the total general in terms of how I understand the market. Siguro thousands of charts natin na lang. Talagang training eye na yan, no? Different market, different din siya na ano siya, no? Anyway, let's go there. Let's go back. BBA, AMC. Kaya, honestly, sabi na, okay, yan, AMC also, no? AMC is also a, for me, test buy ko to si AMC. Ito test buy ko to kung may pera ako. Look at that, no? From this support, definitely, ganda, oh. Yan, no? And risk reward nito, papasukin ko to si AMC. I'm just gonna do some konti lang, like this one. This one. Kung papasukin ko to ngayon, 10% lang, no? Dito kasi yung resistance mo, no? Kung magwa 1:1 ka dito, 1:1, 8% risk ka dito, 1:1 ka, pero kung mag-breakout yan dito, ang ganda ng risk reward mo dyan. Pwede ito i-test buy, for me. Medyo bullish pa naman siya. Pero sentiment, ayoko. Kasi baka bagsak niya eh. Kasi nga, nagko-correct yung market no? So, kung nagko-correct yung market, re-respetuhin ko to. Diba? So, re-respetuhin ko yung ano na yan. Baba. Okay, for Baba, I'm still bullish for Baba. Look at this, no? Look at that Baba. So, kung bumaba man siya dito konti, I don't think Baba will go down further unless i-break na tong trend line na to. So, kung bababa man siya in a few days, mga 2% drop lang yan. I'm gonna hold on to Baba, but right now, if you're gonna buy it, I would suggest to wait for in this area first, no? Possible pa tong bumaba. Depende, but this is the channel na ito yung tinatak niya. So, it means to say, it's either, pero honestly, if you're going long term this one, wala ka nang gagawin dito, hintayin mo na lang. Tapos ito sa capitulation it's really more into recovery period na siya. So kumbaga ito yung sinasabi ni Warren Buffett na buy when there blood's in the streets, no? Ito yung time na yun. It's just a matter of time kung kailan, but definitely is a very good, stable, wide economic mode company. So don't look at it. Close it. Then tingnan mo na lang siya afterwards. Okay, check natin yung mga nabili natin before yung congratulations sa AWK, ILMN, even Airbnb, all those things na yan. Ito natin, no? Yan. Tingnan natin. Okay. CH Abab. Grabe. Uy, congratulations sa mga naka-bounce trade nito, Ganda, Bounce 5% automatic. Ito, wag niyo na to kasi tapos na yung, ayan na yung price action, going down na ulit siya, trying to form a base. CHPT. CHPT is also in the retest period, so not too much. Di ko to bibilin, so I would buy this on the base level. So retest period pa to. This can turn to a resistance pa. Very strong resistance. So wag muna. QFIN. QFIN also is also a uptrend. There's a crossover there of the moving average, but it's on the resistance already. I would suggest to buy it on a correction. Like if mag-correct to dito for this one. Hindi ko hahabulin. I let the price go back to the support and confirm it. So it means kung magkaroon yan ng green signal from that area, I'm gonna buy it. But not right now. But good thing, there is a short term bullish, no? Yan. Short term bullish on this candle. So not right now, near resistance tayo. Okay? I hope that's helping. Ayan. So let the price go to you, di ba? Kaya mong habulin ka, di ba? Yun yung mga dyan Huwag kang humabol, magpahabol ka. Di ba? Naku, yung Nasdaq umaangat na naman. Nako naman. Saan na yun? Wait lang Nandito kasi sa harapan yung cellphone ko Yan. Nako. Nasdaq, please lang. Short kasi ako dyan Okay. Check natin. KO. KO support but yet sentiment hindi masyado. Morningstar tayo. Check natin si Morningstar. Fair value Tingnan natin kung discounted ba to. Pag mga stable companies kasi, momentum ko to pero hindi masyado eh. Medyo hindi kasi mano. Pero uptrend nasa low area eh. Oh. Pero yeah, hindi masyado. Hindi ko rin ako hindi ako satisfied sa itsura niya kahit na uptrend siya. Downtrend, go buy for the base. Okay. OCGN. Grabe naman itong mga bossing. OCGN, buy signal on a green candle. Pero sa inyo to, habang tahimik, pwestohan nyo na to ah. Okay, pwestohan nyo na to habang tahimik ah. Hanapan nyo to ng magandang malakas na support. Dito ang tingin ko dito, pero kung mag-multiple buy ka for OCGN, ilan to? Habang tahimik, wala eh. Tingnan mo yung volume mo, wala oh. Walang volume eh oh. Makakuha ka ng ang possible kasi dito kung tahimik na ganyan, hintayin mo yung spike. Pag nag-spike ng biglang pak, bilhin mo bigla dun sa support. Ay, nako, grabe talaga ang sentiment talaga nito. Ano bang meron sa market watch ngayon? Euro USD, bumagsak ka. Shopify. Shopify, pwede rin, resistance kasi eh, no? Resistance, medyo hindi kagandahan yung itsura niya, but bullish siya. So, in terms of how if you're gonna trade this one, pwede siyang i-test buy if it's gonna go up further, no? So, ngayon, hindi pa. Medyo resistance kasi nakaupo. Kung mag-breakout yan, may resistance kasi. Ang lakas kasi ng resistance na to eh. Range kasi to eh. Oh. So, di eh. For me, di talaga eh. May 50 siguro dito kung trade ko to. Dito ko kukunin. Ayaw kong kunin ng momentum. Hindi kasi momentum yung market eh. Okay, DD. DD Global Inc. Pwede to i-test buy guys. Dito. Pwede to i-test buy for DD. There is your reversal. There you go. Then, possible this is your trend. Kung itagos pa niya yan, pwede test buy. For our chart, since kakaano lang nito, pwede ito i-test buy. Pwede siya i-test buy. Resistance is around this area. So, ikaw na bahala sa risk reward mo. Okay. Clove. Isa, Chidori. On natin Chidori para makita natin. Hay nako, Nasdaq. Pag kailangan bumagsak Nasdaq, kailangan bumagsak. Pangalan niyan si Visa. Visa. Tingnan natin si Visa. Visa. Resupport. Hindi na. Wala na to. Tapos na sa Chidori. Kahapon sana yung kuha. Perfect kahapon. Pero not right now. Not pwede pa umabol pero konti na lang yung malapit-lapit na to sa bounce niya. Okay, ACB, tapos na tayo kay ACB. ACB, sinabi ko na to kanina, wag niyo na habulin. If meron ka, hold niyo na lang. Okay? Kung gusto mo mag-test buy kay ACB ngayon, pwede pa rin. Kung hahabulin niyo to, mas gusto ko yung ganito eh. Pero ite-test buy ko yan, pwede rin ngayon. May breakout oh. Ayan, may breakout oh. Kasi kaya ayoko siyang kunin ng ganyan, guys. Alam mo bakit? Kasi baka fake breakout eh. Baka fake breakout lang. Pero test buy kung wala ka pa nito, pwede naman. Pwede siya for me, no? LTC first TP. Litecoin. Ay, congrats ha. Lakas oh. Ayan oh. Ayan na. Ayan may pula. Ayan ang range. Hold na lang yan. For LTC. Dito pwede rin to. Ayan. Oh, sorry. Congrats sa mga nakakuha ng LTC. Sarap. Wala pa ako i-hold dyan. Chill-chill lang tayo. Yung mga kumuha ng LNT, yung mga kumuha ng ILMN, yung sinabi natin, look at this, diba? This is our watch list. Naalala nyo? So, congratulations to you guys. Yung Zoom, then a trade, congrats, no? XOM, sectoral waiting for trend break. Yeah, pwede. May falling wedge tayo on a massive downtrend. Trend break na lang, pwede. May trend na ako. EOS. EOS momentum. Test buy pwede. Pwede test buy pero high risk. So when talk about high risk, taas eh. So taas niya, test buy pwede pero ano lang, high risk. Like pag high risk trade, dapat medyo ano din yung cut loss mo. Madiin, no? Maano siya. Okay, 35, 35, 35. 35. Okay, there you go. Review natin trades natin. I'm gonna check AWK. Check the resistance. Kung mag-turn support, that's good. Sayang din kasi yung $10 profit eh. I'm gonna dito na on the $1 account. Momentum eh. Pag momentum, babayaan ko na lang dyan. Baka lumipad kasi din. Wait lang ha. Check lang dito. ILMN. Check natin si ILMN. Okay. ILMN is near the resistance already. Okay pa naman to eh. Kaso showing weakness. May gap kasi na gusto ko dito, may gap kasi na mumu eh. Ano ko na lang to sa ILMN. Like ILMN is 0. Yan. Okay. Wala music. Wala ba music? Meron ako eh. Nag-enjoy ako sa music ko. Wait lang. Check natin. Yan. There you go. Thank you for letting me know. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. Chill tayo. Umuulan dito eh. Umuulan ba di ba sa inyo? Okay. Check natin. Ano pa ba iba? ABNB. Check natin ABNB guys. Ganda ni ABNB oh. Mali lang yung kuha ko sa ABNB eh. Masyado mataas yung kuha ko eh. Medyo kinuha ko siya on this level eh. Pero look at that oh. Shows of reversal yan oh. Ganda no? 13% on that. Okay, now, all-time high. Now, service now. Ganda, nervous now. Communication. Communication. Definitely. Ganda, pwede. No? All-time high. Sarap. No? Hindi natin nakuha to ah. Lapit na resistance. Tayo lang natin to sa ano. 8 gates. Wala, malate na masyado first gate mo dito. Hindi ka na makakakuha niyan. Or dito na. Tingnan natin. XRP, buy yan si XRP. For me, pwede talaga tumbilin si XRP. Yan ako. Nakita nyo yan, no? Trend break. There you go. Holding the support. Pwede siya for me. Pwede ako magdagdag. If I have money, maglalagay ako dyan. Kaso wala eh. Bus eh. Gusto ko nga mag-cutloss, wala akong mag-cutlosan eh. Gaganda rin kasi nung position ko na iba eh. I mean, yung iba kasi naka-trend follower. Like ito, taps ko, 10 follow yan. Wala akong pakialam dyan eh. Ito, hindi ko rin ano kasi sentiment. Tail ray, naka-trend follower. Hindi hirap i-cutloss pag nasa base ka eh. Unlike, ano ka, base ka ba? C2390, 0393, 0390. Ba yun? HK? Ano to? Ito ba yun? Pero ba sa eToro niyan? Tingnan natin yan. 0390. Ay na railway. Okay. Railway. Ito nga. If you're gonna buy that breakout, I don't think it's a good idea. Medyo ano siya. If it's the good thing about it is kung magbabounce siya dito tapos another one, saka tayo bumili. Pero right now medyo turok eh. Third candle, fourth candle pa. So not now. Ay natin lang siya. E-kicks. Hindi siya pa for me, hindi siya. E-kicks. Alam mo gusto niyo magandang kunin? GBP and CD guys. Join the fund kayo. Look at this, no? Grabe. Um, kung tuyong-tuyo na to, ang pinag-uusapan for the Forex, ito na yun eh. Ito na yung parang ano talaga siya for like retest man lang ba? So, first is this is the support, no? Tapos nag-breakdown siya. Ito eh, kahit man lang ilang pips yan hanggang from here to there, oh. That's 149 pips from the current niya ngayon. So, kumuha ko nito. Laki ng ano ko dito nilagay eh. Naka Valkyrie mode. But not here, no? Kicks. First gate, pwede. On the breakout. Breakout. Pwede. Cut loss lang. Quick cut loss lang dito. Pwede ka mag-cut loss dito sa low nga nito eh. Like, yan no. 3%. Pwede to. Pwede to i-8 gates. Kung gusto mo naman kunin to, breakout mo na lang. Since may rejection siya dyan, breakout mo kunin. SLP. Check natin sa SLP pala. Tama. Hindi lang tayo mo natin kunin sa SLP. Tetherus. This one. Okay, for XLP, I mentioned already that ito na yung bili. Supposedly, dapat bumili na kayo or nag-imbak na kayo. But right now, wala pa eh. It's forming a base, meaning it's gonna form a sideways after. So, ngayon, not a good idea na bilhin siya. Kasi, ano yung mga pwede mangyari dito? Pwedeng umangat, tapos ibagsak. Umangat, ibagsak dito. Balik doon, angat. So, wala pa siyang pure na base na ginagawa. So, ang maganda dito, let it form. Then, you buy here. Or you buy there. Or you buy here. So, wala pa. Not now. But, if mataas naman yung tingin mo, like example, you wanted to zoom out, pwede ba na siyang bilhin ngayon? Kasi long term naman yung perspective mo. Pero if you wanna be technical about it, hintay mo ulit siyang ganitong kandila sa ilalim. Kasi possible nito, okay, resist tapos ibagsak pa eh. Hindi natin alam. So, we wanted to make sure na mag-hold tong area na to. If it's not gonna hold, then we're gonna expect it, of course, to go down further, no? To go down further. Oh, saan natin makukuha yan? Oh, yan, dito. Oh, yan. So, pag bumagsak yan, we can expect it to go down further here. So, that's why not a good idea kumuha siya ngayon. ADSK, Chidori. Alisin mas maraming Chidori play ngayon eh. Chidori play pwede. Pwede. Wait lang, Chidori. Kaya hapon sana eh, oh. Habang red candle pa siya eh. Pwede pa tong habulin. It's just that hanggang dito na lang itipi mo. Rest reward ka dito. Tight cut loss ka dyan. Ito, TP 1:1 ka lang. Pero kung kahapon ka kumuha sa dip na yon, mas 1:2 yung ano mo eh, cut loss. Pero 1:1 ka. If mag-breakout siya, better. Until this one, oh, ganyan. Pwede. Pwede pa ito mabulin. Check natin dito. This one. Okay, check natin. ABG. 1:1 lang yan. Ano gusto dito? ABG almost cheat. Almost pa eh, pero hindi pa. Hindi pa siya. Di pa siya, wala pa. Price action na, remember. Dito may yung kukunin. Lalo na pag nagkaroon ng sell-off na grabe. Diyan. Ang problem kasi dyan, kung yan gagawin mo, pwede yan magganyan eh. Oh. Maglaro lang dito. Tapos bumabagsak yung presyo. So, hindi ko siya kukunin kahit EMA 100. Wala, almost pa eh. Wala pa sa parameters. I'm gonna stick with the proof. Okay lang wala. Hindi kasi kasama sa criteria natin yun eh. Price action talaga plus a statistics, no? Like signals. Kahit may EMA 100 eh, pero price action yung gusto nating kunin. Diba? Yan. Okay. Next. Tingnan natin. Check natin dito. Ay, element na LNT. LNT, check natin to LNT. Galing to sa inyo guys, yung LNT. Resistance, so going up siya. Oh. So, pwede ko tong i-0 para wala tayo. No, okay na pala, 0 na pala siya. Okay, SLP, XLP, American, LTZ, LMN, ABB, Airbnb, CRBP. Check na to CRBP. Ayan na, CRBP, nagkakapapakita ng potential. Pag nagkaroon ng green candle to bukas, CRBP, kuha kayo. If hindi, syempre, abangan natin dito. Dito. Bukas, magkaroon to ng green candle, kuha, dagdag tayo. SPCE. SPCE, another retest is about to happen. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina para nakita mo yung nangyari, parang SLP, di ba? Kita nyo? Nagkaroon ng up, then down, then balik ulit dito. So, yun yung mga senaryo eh. So, expect it to go down further or expect it to hold here. But, I think hindi to babagsak more eh, kasi mahina yung volume. RLX. RLX, breakout. Oh, ganda nito ah. Lagyan natin to. RLX, not a buy now today, pero test buy pwede. Ang gusto ko dito mangyari sa kanya, kung ako iti-trade ko to, I will be patient. Teka, dito harapan natin yung support, no? Pwede ka mag-test buy ngayon. It can have a resistance here. Then if it's go back here, then you buy here. Okay? Sorry, asan na yung chart? Yan. Then you buy there. If it's gonna reject it there, bumalik dito, buy tayo dyan. So, ito yung mga buy natin. So, right now, test buy, maliit na position can be a good choice for this one. Yan. Yan yung mga buy natin na area dyan. Okay, so wala pa kasi, wala pa siya napapatunayan, kumbaga. Pero lagyan natin sa watchlist. Doon banda sa plot mo na price action, sakto may EMA 100. Good. Dito doon natin kunin. Basta kasama siya sa parameters. Na Chidori siya. ZZR, not for me, hindi siya bili. Possible mangyari dito. It will go sideways like that. Tapos ito lalapit yan. So do natin decide. So now ngayon wala. We're gonna observe it. Rig. Rig is also the same with rig. Rig, pwedeng potential si rig today, test by then. Pero ang pwedeng mangyari kay rig is something like this again as also, no? Saka tayo kumuha. Kasi good thing about it, yung MA50 niya trying to course up na. So, yung MA50. So, ngayon, pwede siya i-test by. Lagyan natin itong si rig dito. Sama natin yan sa mga watchlist natin. Ngayon, di pa masyado. Tokyo. Tingnan ko yung trades ko dito. Pag mo kong don't give up on me. Tokyo, late na. Late na to. Late na kayo guys for Tokyo. Resistance na to. Kanina late na for now. Wait for it to have a proper breakout. Kasi nag sideways, no? So another green candle here can be a good buy. Jivo observe. Jivo observe pa tayo. Going sideways, Jivo. Sira na yung mouse ko. Basta na remove drawings. There you go. Oops, this one, that one. Oops, sorry. Sira na yung mouse ko Papabili na ng bago. Ayan. Observe pa tayo dyan hanggang magkaroon ng possible breakout there. If you're gonna buy that one, better test buy lang muna. Okay, walang volume. Pero maganda yan tahimik. Yan ang mga masarap bilhin, tahimik for that. No? Pero observe. Pwede mo isama sa watchlist mo yan. Pwede natin isama. MA. Tingnan natin si MA sa Chidori kung pasok. Ito, pasok. Pwede to. Wait lang, saan price action? Ito, pasok. Bounce trade. Oh, bounce trade na bounce trade to. Ay, yeah, pwede. Pwede. Ito, pwede, pasok. Kung gusto niyo mag-bounce trade, yan. Perfect opportunity, guys. No? 1% lang risk mo dito. Or 2%. Dito ka mag-TP 5%. So, definitely 1:2. Plus spread. No? Oh, kahit 6% pa, pwede mo nga i-TP 6% eh. MA. Yan. Pasok na pasok, oh. Go. Pwede MA, bilhin. Bounce trade. Nike, pwede din Nike test buy. Tingnan natin kung sanay si Nike dyan. Kaso nakakatakot dito kay Nike, merong gap up kasi, no? So, most likely, kung ito-test buy mo yun si Nike, possible lang hanggang dito lang yan. 2%, 2% test buy. Then, kung mag-fail ng reject yan, babagsak to hanggang dito. May gap kasi na gusto i-fill eh. So, pero pwede test buy. In the past, it's actually trying to ano rin naman eh, no? Like, gumagapang sa MA50. So, pwede siyang i-test by si Nike. Mara resistance, pass. Okay, wait for it to pull back around this area also. Wala pa tayo dyan. So, if it's gonna break out, bayaan mo siya. Late call. Hindi mo nakuha eh. Next opportunity. Yeah, pwede din to. About after breakout ng area na to, kunin natin. FTI. Yan. Meron din nakikitang ano. Tapos na tayo kay AMC. Si V, tapos na rin tayo kay V. Grabe tong GBP NCD ko. Let's go, sa go! Euro USD. Ayaw pa rin ibagsak ni Euro USD ah. Euro GBP. Makasell ako dito eh. Pag nag-breakout to, tepak ako dito, Euro GBP. Pero nasa MA100 kahit mag-retrace lang dito. Maraming buy sig, maraming ano eh, no? Maraming ano to, no? Tingnan natin kung may mga divergence ba dito. Sa sideways lang eh. KLNT, okay naman siguro ako dyan. Dami ko pa rin LED eh, no? ABNB, baba ko. Okay lang yan, baba ko kasi long term naman yan. I'm gonna check my other account as well. Baka doon ako mamili ng mga binigay nyo. Crypto, bibili ako. Dami, iwan ako ng crypto. Lalagay akong crypto car. PME, test buy, pwede. Building this one, no? Pwede test buy, nasa support. Pero syempre, kung test buy ka dyan, ingat ka lang sa opening kasi baka bagsak ka din. So, ingat lang, no? Check natin. Sorry, join now nilagay. I'm gonna check my other account. Yung isa ko, yung copy trade. Sa kaya yun, kamusta siya? RLX, oh, maganda rin to RLX, no? XLM, maganda rin to si RLX. Kunin. Wise Investors PH2. Yan. GME, wala tayo dyan. Okay na tayo dyan, no? Let's check the news. US economy adds up to... Grabe talaga. Adds up just to... Okay, okay. NF na pala ng mga, ano to, no? Non-farm payrolls. So, it means to say... just add up in August as Delta variant that's hiring. Dow sinks triple over. What does it mean? Let's check that one. Okay, add ako. Tingnan mo dito. Ito yung isa kong account, guys. Ang bumubuhay din crypto. So, magdadagdag tayo ng crypto dito. So, yung mga nadjay dyan. Crypto tayo dito. Ano yung mga gusto natin bilhin? XLM, no? Dagdag ako XLM ko. Wala ako XLM. Yun, meron. Ito, mas low risk kasi tayo dito eh. Pero iba yung mga companies kasi dito. Ethereum, nahuli ako eh. XRP, dagdag tayo. Binance. Ano ba yung gusto natin bilhin ito? Binance, no? Ang weekend. Ganda rin ang Binance eh, oh. Scale down. 70. Miyota. Rito tayo sa Miyota. Bitcoin. Dagdag tayo kay Bitcoin. Nag-breakout eh. ACB. Dagdag din ako ACB. Dagdag tayo kay ACB. $50. May V ako eh. Ano yung mga dito natin? Bumagsak yung V ng todo eh, no? Itong RTX natin, rate yun. Ang pangit din ang tsura nito. Wait lang, tingnan natin ah. Lagyan natin to ng moving average, 35. Wala na to eh. Benta na pala to si RTX ko dito. Cut loss pala to. Then, sectoral, ET. C-Link, USD. Sige, check natin C-Link. Parang crypto yung papupuntahan ng ano natin, ano? C-Link. Ito ba yan? Uy, pwede rin. Ang ganda rin, no? Price action-wise. Ang gaganda, guys, no? Meron ba yan sa eToro? Link. Yun, chain link. Ito ba yun? C-Link, chain link. Crypto coins, no? Ganda rin, no? Sayang, ang ganda sana nakuha. Tingnan mo yung EMA 35 dyan, no? Talagang sumabit. Galing mag-hold, no? Lagyan mo dito may EMA 50 pa, eh. Lupit, eh. Anyway, sige lang. Dagdagan natin kahit 100 na 50 lang. Alam mo to, bumubuhay sa account na to, guys, yung ano eh. Yung crypto talaga eh. Si Dogecoin, no? Buy din si Dogecoin. Meron akong Dogecoin dito, 13 negative. Mahal lang sa crypto pag nagmo-momentum ka. USD. Kaya ako ng USDT. Pwede, no? AIDA, 140. Ito yung public account natin, guys. By the way, my goal for this account is just 10% to 12% a year. Kasi capital preservation lang siya. So, usually, ang mga position nito before was ETF. But since natataas ang ETF, I need to manage it. Tsaka nagkaroon ng sobrang volatility, hindi ko na TP. Bumagsak ako nung February. Dapat kasi ang max drawdown nito dapat 2% lang. So, maintain ko siya 2% lang. Like, tingnan mo, 1%, 2%. Hanggang doon lang dapat because of the risk. Kasi 10% lang. Bumagsak noong February. Hirapan ako i-recover yun. So, especially talagang in-increase ko ng risk ng todo for this low risk. Hindi kasi masyadong active. Naka long term lang talaga siya. So, hindi ko masyadong ginagalaw. Anyway, there you go. ZEC. Then, ET. Then. Wala pa to. Hindi pa masyado. ET, tingnan natin. ET, energy transfer. Uy, pwede. Malapit-lapit si energy transfer din. Pero, ano kasi, sectoral, nakita mo yung sectoral ng energy, pababa eh. Oh, cyclical kasi masyado eh. Pero pwede rin eh, pwede pa rin tong kunin, no? Isang green candle na lang, pwede to si ET ulit eh. Lagyan natin sa watchlist natin. ZEC USD. Pwede rin, no? Dami yung pinapabili sa akin, ah. Kuha tayo niyan. Ganda rin, ano? Sa ilalim pa, no? Parang crypto. Crypto talaga lahat, eh. Pwedeng, ganda ng mga signature, eh, no? Okay, kuha tayo niyan. Lahat kunin natin. Basta may buy signal. Tandaan. Okay lang yan. Tingin tayo dito. Dito, ZEC USD, no? ZEC, no? Ito. 100 ulit. Ba yan? Mapakuha naman madami tayo dyan. Hindi natin to. Dash. Meron akong Dash eh. Alam mo, kumuha na ako ng Dash eh. DoorDash. Dash Bitcoin. US dollar. Yun din, no? Pwede rin, no? Pili na lang kayo ng fundamental. Kung anong puputok na lang dito, mauuna na lang, oh. Pwede. Kuha rin tayo dyan. Meron akong Dash yata. Tingnan ko, meron akong Dash. Pala na kung sino kumuha, pero pare-pareho lang yun. Eh. Meron akong Dash, no? Kuha rin ako. Tandaan. Yan. Tingnan natin muna. Dapat 20% lang maximum ko dito sa crypto. Baka di bumagsak. 29% overexposure. Overexposed na ako. Kasalanan mo to, Gian. Ha? Okay, teka lang. 10%. Teka, kailangan ko i-offset yan. Ano bang market yun dito? Global, no? Hong Kong. Tingnan natin ng FXI. Kung nasa na FXI. Ayoko na tumingin ng crypto. Mapapabili ako. Salalan nyo. Matic, sige, tingnan natin si Matic. Matic USD. Pwede rin eh. Hindi, mas maganda yung iba. Mas maganda yung mga nakita natin kanina lahat. Pero pwede na rin eh. Oh. Pwede rin itsura niya eh. 3 trail na niya yung 20. Ilang beses na yan. Oh. So, pwede rin siya. Pwede rin. Sa short term. Honestly, pare-pareho sila itsura eh. Kasi pare-pareho naman sila. Like, if you try to come to think of it, they're still altcoins. So, it means to say pare-pareho sila ng galaw. Magkakatalo na lang yan kung may mga retailers magpupush ng isang market cap nun. So, pareho-pareho lang yan. Pareho-pareho lang ng takbo. It's just that, ikaw na lang. Kaya, maliit lang nilalagay ko for this account. Not the other account. Laki ng exposure ko. Mali. Yan, okay lang. Pero sige lang, no? GLD. Check natin si Gold. Gold had a breakout. Look at that, no? Talagang possible to, guys, na the market is really impending for correction. I'm gonna expose more to gold. Expose ako more to gold. Ayan natin. Breakout si gold, oh. Bullish eh, oh. Kita nyo yung reversal. Ayan, oh. Reversal, breakout, RASE, RSI. The best, you know? I'm gonna change my chart, guys. Wait lang. Lagyan ko to ng kage para makita natin yung itsura. Alright, so it's 10:30. Ready. Crypto talaga, guys. Crypto weekend. Pabayaan nyo yung stocks muna masyado. Or makakita kayo yung stocks sa ilalim or mga bounce trades na todo. Yun yung kunin nyo eh. Mga bounce trades. Yan ang mga natin. Ito lang, hanapin ko lang dito. Lagyan natin to na moving average. Okay, dapat si 100 is black. Then the volume must be 100. Oh, mali. Okay, green. Okay, mali. Default. Okay. Then Emma. Wait lang, guys, ha. Ayusin ko lang yung chart ko. Kamali ako eh. ETC. Let's check at ETC. Then Ethereum Classic, no? This one. Lagyan natin ng moving up. Kasi nakakagi ako eh. Tama ba? Black. Emma 100. Black. Okay. OBB must be green. Wait lang, guys, ha. Yan. Okay. Alright. There you go. Alright. Check natin. Para makita ko yung trend. Ayan, o, diba? Kita nyo? Gold, oh. Pati si gold nagkagi, guys, oh. Ilang beses nagpakita ng kagi si gold, oh. Dito pa lang, oh, nagkakagi na siya, eh, oh. Dito yung first buy signal, eh. Second buy signal is this one. Ngayon, today. Kahapon, ang second buy signal. Confirmation today for gold. Oh, ayan. ETC. Ethereum USD. Buy signal din to. Definitely. Dami. Pinapakita ano ba yan? Ayan, oh. Kahit i-adjust ko pa yan, eh. Oh. Pwede rin, eh. Lalakas. Oh, bili na. Shopping ng crypto. Ayan, pwede. So, it's really up to the retailers or some na pwedeng saan yung iangat nila dyan. Depende na lang kung ano itutulak nila, eh. So, wala kasing ETF na, kung gusto mo diretso ka na lang, doon ka lang sa copy invest in portfolios, no? Wala na akong pera, eh. Pero sarap maglagay doon. Wala akong mailagay. Ano ba pwede ko i-TP dito? Ay, element ko kaya. Para mas mabilis kasi yung galaw, eh. Okay, tanggalin natin yung mga stocks natin. Lagay sa crypto. Kaya tanggalin ko muna yung iba dito. Mga top bullish pa naman to eh. LMT. Saan isang chart ko? LNT. Oh, tanggalin ko na rin to. TP ko na to. Nag-sa resistance eh. Dadagdag ako. Anong pwede natin dagdag? Anong pinakamaganda? Sa kanina, nakita natin na mababa pa ng konti. Units. Ano ba maganda? Ano ba maganda, guys? XLM, no? Siguro XLM eh. Kasi nagpakita to ng signal kahapon eh. Hindi XLM eh. Iba. ETC. Tingnan natin si ETC. Kasi may connection kay Ethereum Classic. Sideways. Dito. Confirmation. IOTA. Ano pa isa natin? Na maganda? ZEC. Pili ako eh. Wala akong... Kailangan isang ano lang eh. No? ZEC din. No? Mas maliit pa. Hatiin ko na lang. Ito na naiwan dito. 150 sa ZEC. 150. Tsaka Ethereum Classic siguro isa. Ethereum Classic. Marami tayong free asset nito, guys. Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic. ETC. Ano pa ba isa? Kaya lang ha. Na-shopping ako sa crypto ha. LTC, no? Mas maganda. LTC pumutok na eh. LTC pumutok na eh, no? Ayan na, pumutok na LTC. Pero mas show of bullish signal. Mas ano nga lang siya for correction. Dash. Tingnan natin si Dash. Dash, tama. May buy signal si Dash. 200. Dash. Yan. 212. Yan. Yan, may mas maganda yung itsura eh. Yan ang kunin natin. Oh, wala na akong mabibili nasa crypto. Alright, sige guys. This is how you do it, no? Like example ito guys. What I do, especially mga crypto, hindi kasi ako naniniwala na talagang not really totally but definitely bullish ako sa crypto but speculative. Yung still ano ko, no? Bullish ako technically, yes, pwede. Future, I don't know. No, hindi natin alam. No one knows. So how can you secure something na invest something that you can actually willing to lose first? Second is trade it and let the profits be your capital, no? So that's my decision. Hindi ako maglalagay ng something na hindi ako sure, right? Just to give you an example, you want a lesson? Type 1 in the chat box. Okay? Type 1 in the chat box, no? Bigyan natin. 10:30 eh. So lesson na tayo tonight eh. Kasi dito parang it's the other part of telling me na we should learn from we must learn from history, no? And what the history can tell us is about like this is one of my webinars in the eToro, the last webinar I had with eToro. So yes, crypto is an innovation of the currency. Yes, crypto is also something that actually battles the yung yung tinatawag nilang long-term debt cycle, 55 to 75 years, about to crash of the fiat market. But also speculative ako in a sense because ang daming crypto lumalabas, hindi mo alam sinong totoo. Have you actually questioned that? So if you're gonna put something money that you believe into, na wala pa talagang napapatunayan, but sentiment ng tao lang nagbibigay ng presyo, diba? So tao lang din magdidikta ng presyo niyan. Wala pang decentralized siya, so walang magano diyan, no? But innovation also, papasok ang mga kapitalista diyan eh, no? Kaya pumasok diyan yung play to earn, diba? Kaya pumasok diyan yung collection of the NFT na walang value. That's also people are just putting value to it. And it's the same thing that happened in the dot-com crash in the 1990s. No, how many years ago? 20 years ago. Introduced this internet connection that really connect us together virtually. And what history tells us, no, that the bubble always happen in phases, no? Nagkakaroon ng phases na tuktok. Tayo, nandito na tayo ngayon, nasa grid area na tayo. I don't think nandito pa tayo sa enthusiasm kasi media attention was launched since 3 years ago for Bitcoin. Andito na tayo nasa grid and delusion. Why? Naglabasan ng crypto Sobrang dami naglabasan ng crypto, and that's happened also in the past. US tech bubble before, and also the ang tama dyan, yung tinatawag, yung dot-com crash, no? Ito yun Nasdaq, ito yung US tech bubble na yun dot-com crash. And kung titignan mo yung paradigm, it's also the same thing, no? And even good companies do that as well. Like example, Globe, 'di ba? Nagkaroon yun ng introduction, speculation period, nagkaroon ng peak. Wala pa talagang real. Babalik yan sa mean niya. And here's what we really need to know, no? Here's what you really need to know. Let me just focus on this slide. Ito yung what we can learn from it I'm not bashing crypto. Okay, I want to be fair about it. I'm not bashing because I'm trading it, I'm investing in it. But some part of me tells me na hindi pa natin alam what's that. Amazon.com before, look at that, for out of 457 companies na nag-launch ng .com, internet, no? Website, web, browser. Only 3 survive. Thousands of cryptos are launching every day. NFT, whatever is that, we will never know kung ano yun. So we can make most of it, but don't make a fortune out of it by putting a lot of money tapos hindi ka willing to lose to begin with. And only 3 survive on those 457 IPOs happen in the past. And who actually benefit? Yung mga kapitalista. Because sabi nga nila, if everyone's so high, no? If everyone's so high, it's hard to see reality. Ito yung part of me na telling me na yes, people are earning from an Axie, from play to earn, but just put logic to it ba? Why are they learning? Because more users are coming in. But anong innovation meron doon? You play to earn, 'di ba? You play to earn for, 'di ba? Anong value no? Like play to earn for what, 'di ba? Nakuha mo? .com crash is an innovation for the internet 'di ba? So that's and just to give you like a heads up from the summary, the one that actually put the internet on a storm, what's Netscape? It's the first IPO of a web browser that introduced the internet. Kilala nyo ba ito ngayon? Wala Wala siya ngayon. It's like Bitcoin today. Bitcoin was a cryptocurrency today. Bitcoin is $50,000 per Bitcoin per value. Future tells us we still don't know, no? That's why sabi ko, yes, pwede ako, pero siguro kung maglalagay ako malaki tapos na doble ko, tatanggalin ko na So, since may skills tayo with the trading, don't make a fortune na, okay, I'm gonna invest into crypto, then kalimutan ko siya, tapos utang ko yon, or malaking pera I'm not willing to lose. I'm still gonna invest something that's something that is working, no? That's something that gives people value when it comes to like yung makes people in terms of their lives easier. That's innovation Makes people lives easier, no? Example na lang, like innovation of Amazon, di ba? Ang ginawa ni Amazon, nagkaroon ng online selling, but before it was an online bookstore. And how fast it goes up, it's also how fast it goes down. Imagine, Amazon went up to 107, but naging $7 siya. So, that's how crashes happens. So, that's why yung naging strategy ko for that lesson is every time I put, like example, example like example ADA, no? I'm gonna put on to ADA, no? Example ADA USDT. Example, ang lalagay ko lang dyan, una, winning to lose ko. Lagay lang ako ng mga example dito, punta siya dito. Ang gagawin ko dyan, tatanggalin ko yung capital na nilagay ko. Example, wala na ko ito, free asset na ito lahat eh. Example na lang is si XRP, Ethereum. What I'm doing, since I'm doing it technically, I bought Ethereum crops na ito, example, 200, 230, 145. The rest are free assets. Itong capital na to, pag pumunta siya sa isang strong resistance, tatanggalin ko yung capital. If it's gonna crash, okay lang. Tulad dito, si Ethereum. Kung pumunta sa Ethereum dito, definitely itong 200, 230, and 145 tatanggalin ko. May iwan tong profit niya, 45, 40, 50. So may free asset ako. So I'm building up those assets. Kahit masunog yung account, okay lang. I'll make a fortune out of it, okay lang. Kasi hindi naman ako naglagay ng malaki sa kanya. But majority of money are still on companies who are still proven a track record. So if we're not gonna follow what history tells us, that's the gamble there. So it's really a decision, no? If you're just gonna really gamble about it, no? But at the same time, don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. Remove the capital that you're not really willing to lose. Mahirap kasi sabihin ng isang bagay kung wala ka na dun eh. Sabi mo, willing to lose ako, guys. Willing to lose ako ng 100,000. Pero if you see that 80,000 is really burning, tell me if you're really willing to lose. Anong mafe-feel mo? 'Di ba? Yung willing to lose is really the willing to lose ka talaga. Like, kung masunog siya, hindi ka talaga maapektuhan. You can still sleep properly. Pero magiging greedy ka na. Willing to lose ako to lose that, pero you're not yet in that scenario. Wag mo na ilagay sa sarili mo para practicein yun. Alright, so one lesson that we can learn from here is every bubble always needs to pop, because any market, stock market, forex market, is always a psychology of the buyers and sellers. Magkaroon lang yan ng isang dip na maglabas ng malaking pera, everyone will go panic. Tapos eToro will crash, di ka makapaglabas ng pera mo, mag-maintenance si eToro, di ba? Yung feeling, di ba? Si Binance masisira because lahat ng tao gusto maglabas ng pera, di ba? So, wag mo na pabutin sa ganun na part. Because history can tell us on the .com crash, even companies na magaganda na hindi kilala before, okay, only 3 survive during that crash out of 457. That history tells us. So we can also do the same thing in our investing strategy. What is crypto? Is it speculative or proven? Then you decide. So if you're gonna speculate, dapat alam mo din yung ginagawa mo. Hindi lang about profit and all those. Kahit gaano kaganda yung research mo about innovation, about those things, kahit gaano ka proven, it's still speculative. The value is still zero. Diba? Value is still zero. People pulling value to it is us, no, dictating the value. What if I'll dictate the value na, okay, Ethereum has no function anymore, tanggalin natin pera, panic. Diba? So we'll never know. We will never know. No one will dictate. But that's still, I believe in it, but with caution. Yan. So I hope it learns. May natutunan tayo for tonight. So let's go back to our review. Ano mga nakita natin today? Yan. More into crypto talaga, guys, no? Ang mga naging watches ko, si RLX, kung tumaas to, okay lang. Rig also, yan, sabi sa inyo, wag muna, nasa resistance. Yan, nagpapakita na siya ng resistance. Ethereum, energy transfer, pwede rin. But we wanted to see it on this pattern here before we buy at this area. Konting taas pa. Tamaan mo niya tong resistance na to or mag-test buy tayo today, pwede. And last but not the least, more into really crypto ang mga napapakita ng mga buy no? Like it's Swan, ZEC, more into crypto. Stocks, di masyado kasi titingnan natin ng total market. Very bearish. Very bearish in 4 days. Not really bearish, no? On short term time frame, medyo sideways going to bearish or possible tong iangat pa further because nagsa-sideways siya. So as of now, we're gonna observe kasi masyado siyang mataas. And SPX 500 is way is also same somehow pataas, somehow masyadong mataas, no? On the resistance. So, wag tayo masyadong gipet. Wag tayo masyadong magmadaling bumili. Okay, so let's go to Forex market. Let's check it natin guys, yung mga robot natin. Okay, if you want to learn more about how to trade in terms of the US market in general. By the way, save the date. Save the date, guys. Pag-aaralan natin ito. Pag-aaralan natin about the September. I'm gonna have it live on Facebook for free just to promote the Elite Club. Elite Club natin. I'm gonna report something to you on that 1 hour. Mag-uusap tayo about the US market. Ano expect natin? Papakita ko paano ipinaprocess ang premium ni Elite Club. Papakita ko sa inyo yan. For September, you can have that for free para makita nyo how the Elite Group is actually very, very good as a community and as an investment for your watch list and for your siya. So one thing that you can enjoy with this one is this one. So I'm gonna give this for you for trade tonight. This is the trade call for tonight. TJX, Orly, VMC, AZO, and TGT. If tinamaan to mga prices na to, it could have been green already right now. So let's check. TJX. Kung tinamaan tingnan natin. Okay, wala pa. Hindi pa tinatamaan. Orly. Patatamaan yan. Possible green yan. Orly, green na today. Oh. Tingnan mo, from an opening, bumagsak. Wala pa, hindi pa pala. Orly, not yet. AZO, hindi pa. So, pwede pa to pala, no? Pwede pa pala to i-set order. And, sino pa isa? VMC. This is the trade calls tonight, no? Nag-green din. So, VMC. Pangat naman na itong VMC. Vulcan Energy. Ito, malapit na. Tinamaan na yata eh. Tinamaan na ito. Tinamaan na trade calls na to. Green na to tonight. So, pwede pa ito habulin, TJ. Itong Vulcan. So, this is the trade calls for tonight. Usually, pinapaset order na namin diretso. If you wanna check the statistic of the trade calls, meron yan. Isa-send ko sa inyo report. But, kung gusto niyo makita, papakita ko sa inyo ngayon. This one. Binibigay namin yan sa Elite Group. Libre na yan. Almost every day. Tingnan natin yan. Hindi pa pala na-trigger. Wala pa, hindi pa na-trigger yan. Si Vulcan. Okay. History. Not this one. Tama. Ito. Okay. There's one. This one. Okay. Paano ko ba ito itago? Yan. Screenshot ko na lang, no? Screenshot ko na lang. Okay, this year, the trade calls is beating the market generally. Kung naka-trade calls ka lang purely, may isa kang account na puro trade calls. This is supposedly your performance this year. Yan, okay. Look at this. So, out of 126 trades, it's 87% profitable at the gain of 25%. So, yan lang. Trade calls lang siya from 1 year. No? 1 year siya. YTD today. So, that's the trade calls natin. 87, 90% win rate yan based on backtesting. That's one thing that you can look into. That's a trade calls account. And what you can also check in the Elite Group is mga reports and mga trade calls. Dami dito eh. Yan. So, example, August, frequent day gainers, globally, market, and this one. Yan. So, since patapos na ang August, papakita ko sa inyo August na report. This one. So, may report tayo monthly. This time, I'm gonna give it for free sa inyo this week, next week, Monday or Wednesday. Dito. This is my August buy. So, kung may entry pa kayong makita, kayo na bahala. No? Kung napapansin nyo dito, ACB is part of that, 72%. buy date is August 14. Let's check the other stocks, no? Na pwede. This one, Nvidia. So Nvidia is buy date of August 10, 10%, 20% gain. Nvidia. Buy date. Ito, August 10. August 10 is here. Yan. So, pangit pa yung technical, pero usually, hindi naman namin binibigay ito ng may technical stub eh. Kasi, kung titignan mo dito, technical entry is a must. Ayan, meron yung technical entry is a must. But if you got it at August 10, kahit August 10 mo siya nakuha, you're already up by 16% at the top. Kung nakuha mo siya ng magandang technicals, 22% ka. That's part of the elite part na elite group. Ang malupit dyan sa elite group na watchlist, hindi pa sell date, kumita ka na ng 20%. Pero usually sell date, buy date siya based on statistics. So magagawa pa ako ng August dito for this one. Ito yung July natin na watchlist. No? Ito yan siya. Monthly, nagbibigay tayo dyan. So marami pa tayong pagagawin. It's gonna be on the Discord. Meron din tayong free membership with the small group sessions for free on Elite Group page. So if you're up to that, tingnan nyo. Let's go. Let's go back naman to our Forex Robot. Okay, trade calls account, trend follower account, nandyan yan lahat sa inyo for grabs. You just need to check if you want to earn in the Forex market with 90% win rate. Okay, on a trade calls, 87 ngayon siya eh, pero definitely 90% trade calls, premium, trend follower EA, sasabayan nyo lang. Then, gawa lang kayo ng account, tingnan yung performance. Let's go to Izanagi. Izanagi is a very high risk. Right now, Izanagi is 155% gain with the statistics of 2 months of this one, Izanagi. May backtest ba kayo ng combo? Walang backtest na combo kasi isa lang siya eh. Isa lang ang binabacktest niya. Hindi pwedeng i-backtest ang dalawang strategy sa isang backtest. Hindi mo pwedeng ilagay isang strategy sa isang backtest. So, paghihiwalayin mo siya. Yes, definitely. By the way, yan, isa rin yan, no? Valkyrie, 15%. Na risk natin is 2% gain today. So, long term to with the compounding. Mayroon siyang compounding, may siyang compounding strategy. For mode 1 ni Valkyrie, 6% right now. Medyo dahan-dahan, surely but surely yan, no? And then the manual trading account, manual na yan, no? So micro Izanagi, where you offer sa clients are 40% right now in gains for a $250. Then dito siya. Yan, 23%, 13% last month. So for now, nasa 0.38% siya. So if you want to go high risk, but at the same time, very, very active, you can do that. Now, I'm going to give you one back testing. By the way, for Izanagi users, if you're watching, we're going to have a Zoom call tomorrow. Tomorrow, we'll talk about backtesting ni Izanagi from this year. Ito yung mga backtesting results. Pag-uusapan natin to tomorrow. Ano ang equivalent dapat natin gawin in general? Like example, win rate, maximum drawdown. Para ma-visualize nyo, para maka-prepare kayo. Kasi hindi lang yan basta-basta na run tayo ng run without backtesting eh. Check natin yan. One report that we're gonna do is batanggalin natin si CAD CHF because this year, CAD CHF is not performing very good. But definitely we're profitable, but for the sake of like risk management, tatanggalin natin si CAD CHF sa Izanagi. Papalitan natin ng ibang pair na maganda yung backtesting this year. Okay, so pag-uusapan natin tomorrow. So, ito, just like an example, no? Bibigyan ko ng example. Odd USD. Isa sa backtesting ni Izanagi. So, si Izanagi, nilagyan natin ng $500 capital. Okay, maximum profit, gross profit after 8 months. Sorry, $250 na capital. Si Odd USD, nilagyan natin ng Izanagi strategy. It made around $193 na profit from January to August. So, isang pair lang yun. Binigyan ka ng 100% gain. Pinaka-lowest drawdown niya, si Odd USD this year na backtesting is $68. $68. So, 11% of your like capital. magdo-drawdown siya. Maximum position opens ito. Later, pag ubukas, pag-uusapan natin to about drawdown and frequency ni Izanagi. So imagine that's how WPH work, no? In Elite Club, we're doing research. In Forex, we're doing research, statistic based. Hindi natin basta-basta yan nila-launch tapos sabihin natin, "Uy, nag-gain ako ng 200% without statistics." So mini-measure natin yan by statistics. Even our trade sa masterclass. So sa masterclass natin, even the Kagebunshin technique, even the moving average crossover techniques, na mga ganyan na strategy is also made back-tested. So, hindi siya basta, ito, nag-cross, tapos minak-tested, 5 years, ganyan. Hindi. Binaback-test natin yan, guys. So, that's how beautiful that ninja techniques are. Back-tested yan. Rasen Shuriken, back-tested yan. Using computer, ha? Computer-generated. So, hindi siya basta na dinevelop lang out of principle. May principle yan behind plus back-testing if it's working or not. So, that's why, guys, I want you guys to also to invest in knowledge because ang hirap kasi something that you're asking me. Example, nagtanong tayo sa Telegram or chat. We're not talking on the same language. Mas maganda mag-usap tayo same language. Pag sinabi kong Rasengan, ano ibig sabihin nun? Kagebunshin, ano ibig sabihin nun, no? Masterclass is for you, no? And take note, no? Sa robot na Forex, meron kang 100% bonus. If you gonna deposit a $200, $400 papasok sa account mo. No? Napakaganda because you can use also to increase your capital. But I really suggest it you can use that for buffer. Para yung account mo pang matagalan, parang Motolite. Hindi basta-basta matitiba ng mga spikes. Kaya use that 100% bonus for XM. At least $500 deposit will go to you. So, the question is, what if i-transfer ko to sa ibang account ko? Mag-carry over ba yung bonus? Definitely. Okay, definitely. Mag-deposit ka. Example, gumawa ka ng 3 Izanagi, tag to 250. 750, tapos ilagay mo isa lahat. Kasi diba, 500 lang. Ito, turo ako sa inyo. Huwag sabihin kay XM. Gawa ka ng 4 na MT4, lagyan mo ng 250. Di, magiging 500 yung each. Pag sama-samahin mo lahat, 1.5. Ganun magiging capital nun. Kasi, diba, 1,000 lang dapat, 750 nilagay mo, diba? Pero idodoble yun kasi ilagay mo ng konting loop outside the box. Kasi carry over niya, pati yung credit na ta-transfer. Hindi lang pwede ma-withdraw. O, yun yung magandang strategy dun, guys. Gawa ka account, deposit po 50, tapos lipat mo, gawa ka account, deposit mo 250, or 500. Diba? Yan, mga malupit natin dapat gawin. Okay, so masterclass, guys. We're 2 weeks from now, we're gonna do a masterclass. XM, same difference. Ayaw ni XM. Yeah, very good question. For XM na different account, ang pwede lang sa bonus is standard, okay, and micro. Yung para siguro hindi mas better to. Open an account. Ayaw ni XM same details but different. Ayaw ni XM same details different account. Pati ibang tao. What do you mean? Hindi, gagawa ka ng account using your parang maglalagay ka sa open additional account dito ibig sabihin. Hindi ka gagawa ng bagong account mismo. Open additional account ka dito. MT4 is what I'm trying to ask. So, ang hindi pwede dito is ang 100% bonus. Let me zoom into this one. Ang 100% bonus, hindi pwede dito is swap free. Itong swap free na to. And ultra low. Itong mga ultra low, di pwede. So, micro and standard lang siya. So, that's why perfect siya for Izanagi. Kasi madedere-derecho mo siya eh. No? So, yan. So, yung question ni Reginald about, ito parang paggagawa ka open additional. Para MT4 siya, tapos lagyan mo yun. Tapos delete mo yung account. Pwede yun eh. Nakuha nyo? Pakita ko sa inyo na lang sample. Wag na, baka makuha nyo yung details ko. Wag na lang. So, ganun yung gagawin natin. Alright? So, again, it's 11 o'clock. We're done. So, there you go. So, for this tier, my account is back by 50%. Oh, thank you. Anin ko na to, dahanin ko lang to iangat. But definitely, if I'm gonna close everything, kung current equity ko, if I'm gonna close everything with my floating trades, 6051 plus 257, To. Yan, 6.3. 10.6. 6.3 divided by 10.6. Divided by 10.6. I'm up by 60%. I'm up by 60%, definitely. XM Wallet, prof, nagamit mo na? Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Okay? Hindi ko alam kung ano yun yung XM Wallet. Okay, so guys, take the opportunity. It's still hanggang September 31 lang yan. And also, habang may early bird slot pa with the masterclass, invest in knowledge. It always pays the best interest. So it means to say, lifetime skills yan eh. And this is what's good about like joining the masterclass. Kung may update sa classes, example, I'm gonna enroll to a webinar in the US. Example, discount cash flow value computation. Ilalagay ko yan sa next masterclass, libre ka umattend. Example, I'm gonna enroll to this school of trading, or example, business class of trading. Stop muna ako. Then, aral ako for 2 months. Example. Yung magiging update, libre ka na dyan. Kasi, as a business owner, as a company, no, every generated amount na nakukuha ni WIPH, inalagay yan for research and development, and that's 30 to 40%. So, it's distributed to each one of the who joined the course, no? Kung ano magiging binibigay yan sa mga tao. So parang nagkaroon tayo ng fund together. Tapos 40% of that goes to research and development. Tapos lahat nagbe-benefit, 'di ba? Alam na mga students yan kung magkano yung mga courses na inenrollan ko before. So hindi yan basta okay, gagawa ako ng course, manonood ako ng YouTube, gagawa akong presentations, not like that. Binayaran ko yan, nag-invest ako dyan, experience ko yan, gumawa ako ng sarili kong technique, binaktest ko yan, nagbayad ako ng computer to do that data and all of those stuff before ko siya ituro. And it's effective because, come to think of it, this is my port this year. Different strategy with multiple accounts. Port. Same port ko. Let me show you my port, no? Usapang tayo matindi lang. Port in general. So may port ko, nawala yung port ko. Wala, bukas ko na napakita, next time na lang. But definitely for this year, nagagamit ko siya sa PSE. Nagagamit ko siya sa look at AZ energy ko, 46%. Ito pala. So this is my total port. This is my total port in my fund management, no? So for this year, I'm up by 357,000 pesos. Close trades na yan, meaning profit na siya, like the profit ko na siya na nailipat sa other account. What's my red na lang is my PSE. 11% kasi position trade kasi di ko masyadong tinaman ng position trade. But saka yung Valkyrie ko na 50% rest. But everything is definitely green for this year. So fund management na siya, different account, manual trading sa Forex because of all those learnings, guys. So definitely that's it for tonight. I hope I'm gonna teach you more by next week. Next week pag-usap tayo. We're gonna talk about the US market in general. I'm waiting. Tinatapos ko yung report, but definitely ang ganda. Sobrang ganda. Ang dami niya matututunan. So, I'm gonna see you on Monday. Next week, Monday or Tuesday siguro. I'm gonna release a, like, ano dyan. So, also in benefit of promoting Elite Club. Yan ang ano natin dyan. So, with that, guys, happy weekend tayong lahat. Definitely, God bless and have a nice night. Of course, may the market be with you, and also always stay in the green side. Don't be greedy. Sabi nga ng history, don't be greedy. Always invest the money that you are willing to lose. Invest in knowledge that pays the best interest. Good luck. Have a nice night. See you XRP batch tomorrow. God bless. Thank you so much. Bye.
If you want to learn more how to trade, so how to read charts, paano malaman ang rotation, you are invited to join our masterclass natin on WIPH versus WIPH. We will run an 8-week session coming from basics to advanced session and the techniques that we have personally developed and long-term investing principles behind.